Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and clearing stored errors. That gets most calculators back to normal. First, swap in fresh batteries or reconnect power. Low voltage causes missing digits or flicker. Once done, perform a memory clear AC or C, or use the tiny reset hole with a paperclip to restore defaults. Make sure to check display contrast and remove debris under keys so stuck buttons or dim segments are not misread. These quick actions solve many numeric display problems fast. Once basics are done, move to careful diagnosis so you know what to repair. You should press every key to detect intermittent contact. Note any unregistered or double-typed digits. Then open the case and examine the flex ribbon and solder joints for cracks or corrosion, because broken traces cause missing numbers. If available, measure supply voltage with a multimeter to confirm proper VCC and ground. Low rails indicate power regulation faults. These checks pinpoint whether the issue is mechanical, electrical, or PCB level. You finish by applying the correct repair and verifying function across typical use cases. If solder joints are cracked, reflow them. If the flex cable or LCD segments are damaged, replace the part to restore digits. Clean button contacts and pads with isopropyl alcohol to eliminate oxidation, then reassemble and reseat cables. Once reinstalled, run at least 10 tests, basic arithmetic, memory recalls, percent and decimal entries, to ensure numbers render and calculations are accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.